Welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through on what Microsoft 365 shared mailboxes are and how you can create one and make some changes on the mailbox. Okay? Before we go further, let me explain what shared mailbox is. A shared mailbox can be used by a group of people. Examples are team heads in a company. So when they use that shared mailbox to receive and send email to people, okay? Take for example, you have a company and it's an insurance company, and in that company there is a claim department whereby people that want to claim their money after maturity, okay, send mail to. So you can, as admin, you can create a shared mailbox and add people, members of the company, into that shared mailbox, so that whenever clients or people that want to make claim forward some emails to the shared mailbox, the members of that shared mailbox will receive the email, okay, and one person or any member of that shared mailbox can reply to the message. Okay, it still happens in some companies where they are they have a support department. Okay, so there are members, many users of the company that can respond to any email sent into the support email, but it's the work of an administrator to create this shared mailbox of support, then add members. Okay, let's just get started. The first is to open your browser.
Okay, I've opened my browser, and in this section I need to type the URL of Microsoft 365 Admin Center, okay, which is admin.microsoft.com. You can see that there. Then hit the enter key of my keyboard. So this will open the admin section of Microsoft 365 on this my browser. Alright, it's open already. Remember, we are about to create shared mailbox. Okay, so click on this. Okay, let's wait for it to finish loading. Okay, it's done loading. Click on this navigation menu. You can see where my pointer is. Click on that spot, then click on teams and groups, then click on shared mailboxes. So this will open a page that will allow us to create the shared mailbox. Okay, so click on this spot. The page has opened already. Click on add a shared mailbox. So now look at this, add a shared mailbox. Said email can be sent to and from the name and email address of the shared mailbox rather than an individual. After you create the shared mailbox, you can add members who can read and reply to emails. So that still boils down to what I said before. So in shared mailbox, you create it and you can add some users inside to be in charge or respond to any messages that come into the shared mailbox. Even the users on their own can still send mail to other persons inside or outside the organization using the shared mailbox. For example, in this place, in this demonstration, let me assume that I'm creating this shared mailbox for the claim department in an insurance company. So I can say claim the name under name and say claim support. All right, something like that. Okay, claim support. Okay, so that's the name I gave it. So under email, if I click on this spot, it may be added automatically. You can see that claim support. then attached to my domain name at godwintech.microsoft.com. All right. So whenever maybe an external person or a client to this company sends email after creating this shared mailbox, send email to this shared mailbox, the persons that will receive it are members of this shared mailbox. So we are going to get to that. So click on save changes. So it's about creating the shared mail. You can see your shared mailbox was created. All right. Within a couple of minutes, you can add members who can read and reply to emails sent to the shared mailbox. Then the next thing is, let us add users in this organization who we want to be in charge of this shared mailbox we just created. So look at the section, add members to shared mailbox. Okay, so I will click on that spot, click on the link for it to allow us to do that. Okay, now the next step is click on add members. Okay, it will list the names of users which we have in this organization, and one of them is Smart Mike. We have Samson Goodwill. So let's assume I want to go with William Page, this person, and Smart Mike. Okay, I want to add them under this shared mailbox we just created. After that, click on add. So this will make these members to be added to this shared mailbox we just created. And anytime somebody sends email to this shared mailbox, these three persons will get the message in their inbox because they are members of this shared mailbox. So the next is to close. Click on close. Then look at the shared mailbox we just created now. Okay, which is claim support at godwintech.microsoft.com. If you want to make changes to these shared members, maybe you want to add more members to it, it's simple. Just click on the name of the shared members so that it's open in this section. Now look at the name, claim support. Then under forwarding, okay, we get down members. You can see the names of the members here: Smart Mike, Mike Smart, Mike, William Page. If I want to add more members, maybe the flow of the mails that are flowing into this mailbox is getting too many, I want to add more hands to the department. Okay, all you need just to click on edit. Then these are the available names. Okay, these are the ones we have already. Then I'll click on add members. Okay, Samson Goodwill is still vacant, so I can select this guy, then click on add. So Samson Goodwill now will be added as members of the shared mailbox. Okay, so we can exit it. So we have how many members now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 members that are in charge of this shared mailbox. So anytime mail is sent to this claim support department, these 4 members will get this message and they can do what? Reply to the sender. Okay, if you still want to maybe change the name of this claim support, just click on this. Maybe you want to change to something else, click on this edit, type the new name you want to give to the shared mailbox, and you're good to go. And this email address will change automatically. Okay, so that is that on how you can create shared mailbox in Microsoft 365 Business. Okay, so that is that, and I know this video helps you. Please like the video and leave a comment. It will help grow this channel. Also, please do well to subscribe to my channel so that it will motivate me to make more videos. And anytime I make a new video in tech area, you get a notification from your end. Thank you, and see you next time.